welcome to South Caernarfon Creameries. Do you want to see the cheese being made?
Yeah.
Right, so the first stage of it all is pasteurising the milk, yeah? And then, after it's been pasteurised, it goes into them big vats you see down the far end there. That's where they add all the ingredients and it gets stirred until it's poured out to these tables that's in front of you here. As it sits on the milk sits on the table, then the curd starts forming. And that's what you can see over there, is this curd then, as it's forming, being stirred. This is curd that's just been produced. Do you want to try some?
Smells like it. It's like bloomy.
Yeah. So at that stage, that's what it's like. It's dry. There's not a lot of flavour to it, honestly. You're just getting the salt coming through.
That's not bad.
Oh, nice. I like that.
You do? It's okay. That's a good starting point then. Okay, so we're ready to move on to see it being packed?
Yep.
So these are the wedges you'll see coming into the shops, all cut out of them 20 kilo blocks.
Can I try lifting one?
If you want to, yeah. Are you sure now?
Yeah.
There you go, so that's a 20 kilo block of cheese.
That's 100 quid.
Yeah, not far off.
It's quite heavy, my head.
That's light.
That type of cheese is what goes down the cave.
So
it goes in
why
that.
does it get boxed? Does it get
Everything gets boxed to keep the shape. Okay, so we've just been round, you see what we're doing here. So do you want to come down and have a look in the caverns? Jump in the car and go and have a look what we do in the caverns?
Yeah.
Taste some cheese.
Spot on, taste some cheese. We're down here now at Llanfair, so this is a special place where we keep a selected range of our cheese. Do you want to come down and have a look what we've got in here?
Yeah.
So the reason why this is special to us is because when you take cheese to be stored down here, the atmospherics of the cave, the constant temperature and the pressure, it just makes a different flavour to the cheese, and it makes a nice, smooth and creamy cheese. So, just mind your heads. So, here we are, we're here. Behind these doors is where we keep the special cheese that we make. So here we are. This is the room where the cheese has been stored. Okay, so we've got some cheese on the table here. This is what I use to do my grading. So with this, I'll get a large piece of the cheese from the block to the tasting and the grading process. That gives us a nice core of cheese. Okay, so nice, even body, not too fractured or anything, because remember it's aged cheese, so we'll see a bit of fracturing, but it's nice and smooth. And I'll take a piece of cheese and I'll press the cheese down between my fingers like that to warm it up. And you can see that the cheese is going into a nice paste. So would you like to try some cheese?
Yeah.
How would you taste
Good.
it?
It's good. Nice, clean flavour. Smooth, creamy, but still there's bites coming through, isn't there?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've been to the creameries. You've seen where it's made, you've seen where it's been stored here, and this is the full range that we make from the cavern that comes down here to be stored. Now, do you want to try some different ranges?
Yeah.
So that's same as what we had down in the cavern earlier. So that's the extra mature. Nice, same, nice and creamy. So this is a red version. So we call this a Cavern Ruby Red. red Leicester, that one is.
Nice.
Yeah? Nice strong flavour to it. Next one, we've added leeks to it.
Best one.
Yeah, you like the leeks in it. And then the last one, do you like whiskey?
He's not a drink.
Right, okay. You taste the whiskey coming through, yeah?
Not that strong though, is it?
No, not overly strong, but just a nice level of flavour coming through.
That's the best one.
Yeah, you like the one with the leek in. Chris,
That's
You're welcome.